One of the questions I see very often in the live stream and of course out on social media, will the Bitcoin halving influence recovery in Shiba Inu coin? Now, the quick answer is yes, it absolutely can, but there's a little bit of a longer answer we're going to go over in this video because it does highly depend on a lot of other factors, and of course the Bitcoin halving is not just some miraculous event that's going to cause the price of Shiba Inu coin to rocket higher. It is simply something that is going to create potential for more gains over a longer period of time. So let's discuss it. Let's talk about how it's going to affect Shiba Inu coin, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. One of the things that I love most is when people give back to the community, and that is exactly what Cryptonomy is doing right now. As you guys can see on the screen, Cryptonomy is running a giveaway where you have a chance at $100,000 in prizes. This is their biggest giveaway yet, and I absolutely love to see this. So how do you guys enter? First thing you need to do is follow Cryptonomy_fi out on X. Now you can also find all of these links in the description below to make it very easy for you. Initiate a deposit on Cryptonomy's platform, start staking, or of course if you'd like to, join their launch pool, and then simply like and retweet this post. It is that easy, and you guys can get your hands on $100,000 worth of prizes. Now you need to act, and you need to act fast though, because the deadline is April 18th, so you only have a couple of days left to do this. It's very easy to do, but you need to make the decision to do it very quickly here, and it is open worldwide. You don't have to live in the United States. You can live anywhere, and you are eligible for this $100,000 prize pool. Time is, of course, running out, so spread the word, make your deposit, and get ready to be a part of the giveaway. I'm excited about it. I want to know if you guys are excited about it down there, but let's explore some of the benefits of using Cryptonomy. So as you can see, I opened this flexible account up just a couple of weeks ago, and it is already accruing interest. Now this wasn't a huge deposit by any means, but it is already earning over 94,000 Shiba Inu coin just in the last couple of weeks. And I can withdraw this, I can move this around at any point in time. It is flexible, therefore it is liquid. Now the next thing I want to look at is the fixed interest account. This is where the bread and butter is at. This is where you make more interest. Now guys, I'm going to take a look at this Solana account that I opened up just a couple of days ago. And if I pull up the details, you can see that just in the last couple of days, I have already earned 0.71 Solana. Think about that. 0.71 Solana in just a couple of days, and the scheduled interest on this entire thing is 51.75 Solana. It is accruing, and it is accruing very quickly because of course it is the 12-month fixed stake asset there. So make sure that you guys understand, the longer you stake, whether it's fixed versus flexible, the longer you stake, the more interest you are going to be earning. Now I also want to look at some of these right here because these launch pools, this is what Cryptonomy is known for, a venture fund platform, and they absolutely accrue. Look at this right here. Just in the last couple of days, 4,915 USDT accrued in interest. Now this is absolutely incredible to see, which is what makes me so excited about the platform. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and create a new launch pool contract. I'm going to do that by searching Solana because I know I've got some extra Solana on here. I've got 94 available, so I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to add 90 to this launch pool right here. Click continue. Yes, I have read the terms and conditions, and create that contract. It is that easy. Now on top of this, I do want to add a little bit more to the fixed staking assets as well. So I know that I have USDT available to utilize for the fixed staking account. I've got 88.84 available, and I need just a minimum deposit of 99. So you know what, because the other ones are performing so well, I am going to add 5,000 USDT to that, and I want to do the 12-month because it's going to be earning 71.5%. I'm going to continue there. I have read the terms and conditions, and the scheduled interest, you guys, is 3,500 USDT. I'm going to go ahead and click create on that as well. Now, if you're interested in everything that Cryptonomy has to offer, it is incredible that they offer so much free research as well. And look at this. My goodness, what a beautiful article right here. And if you don't have VIP access, that is completely okay. These guys offer an array of articles on every topic involved in crypto, finance, and so on. And as you can see, I mean, you guys could spend all day scrolling through, reading these research articles, and really getting a better understanding of what is going on in the cryptocurrency space. If you're still uncomfortable about making a deposit on the platform, reach out to support. Make sure that you feel 100% comfortable. Get all of your questions answered. Ask whatever you want. It doesn't matter what time of day it is. The support staff is absolutely there for you. Finally, just to circle back, make sure you guys enter this giveaway and let them know that Claybro sent you. A huge shout out to Cryptonomy. Thank you guys very much for sponsoring this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure to check them out down in the description below. But I do want to talk about Shiba Inu Coin's price forecast and an upcoming Bitcoin halving influencing the recovery here. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time discussing, the intricacies of the Bitcoin halving, but basically what it means is that miners are going to be given half the reward for every block that they solve. Shiba Inu Coin's price forecast. Shib, the popular meme coin, has experienced a significant drop in value, going to around that 2,400 point per coin level, marking a 12% decrease over the last day. The dip brought the market cap back down to $14 billion and puts it in the 12th position overall. Now, despite the setback, the trading volume surged by 166%, reaching $1.2 billion. Now, this article acts like that's a good thing, but that might not be a good thing. Guys, when you see a declining price on increasing volume, it means that more and more people are selling. There is a sell-off that is occurring, and it is simply just not buys outpacing the sells. It is sells at that point outpacing the buys. Recently, Shib's price has oscillated between 2,300 and 2,400 points per coin, and it comes after the asset slid below the previous established resistance of 3,000 points per coin. Investors are now cautiously recalibrating their strategies in response to the recent performance. Now, Shib's forecast, what are the next steps after this recent dip? The overall recent week, cryptocurrency Shiba Inu Coin has seen its market value decrease significantly. Investors have observed a downward trend in the coin's value dropping by over 10%. The decrease has contributed to a broader bearish pattern that has emerged over the last month, culminating in a 25% fall in the price of Shib's the price of Shib just in the last month now. As the cryptocurrency market approaches the Bitcoin halving, a general decline in price has been noted. However, historical trends suggest that following the Bitcoin halving, a recovery in prices of various digital currencies, including Shib, may be likely. Now, I absolutely agree with that. The rest of this article goes on to talk about Shibarium and so on, and I don't think we need to focus on that right now. You've got major political action taking place overseas right now, and discussions of, let's just call it conflict, so YouTube doesn't flag anything. You've got discussions of conflict overseas, and that is driving prices lower, not just in Shiba Inu Coin, not just in Bitcoin, but in the stock market as well. The financial sector right now is on the decline because of the uncertainty. Now, to add to that uncertainty in the cryptocurrency space, you have the upcoming Bitcoin halving. And like this article points out, volatility leading into that Bitcoin halving can continue to drop prices in Shiba Inu Coin, absolutely. But if you're looking for the glass half full type of approach, if you're looking for what could happen after the Bitcoin halving, take a look at 2017. Take a look at 2021. What you saw was an increase in price steadily and yes, maybe slowly until you hit an exponential rise maybe a year later. Now, the same thing took place in 2021. You've got a steady, beautiful incline, maybe a year and a half long, and then when nobody can resist it anymore, the FOMO kicks in and you've got that exponential curve higher. Right now, simply pull the graph out just a little bit. You can see that leading up into the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin has slowly, steadily, and beautifully risen from the end of 2022, beginning of 2023 lows to where it's at right now. All this dip is moving from 70,000 back down to 65,000. We still have not curled over in Bitcoin yet. Shiba Inu Coin in a similar situation. Look where we were just 2 months ago. Trading 700, 800 points per coin. We're still 3 times higher than that. 21 to 2,500 points per coin. Things are still looking very, very bullish despite the recent pullback right now. Now, I don't know what tomorrow brings, but I do know there's plenty of opportunity for positive catalysts ahead. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click, hit subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Do not forget that Amazon burn link, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.